All right, let's start that over. So I'm going to add some flux. I've got my PCB pre-tinned. I've got my screen pre-tinned. Ready to throw a tiny bit of solder on the tip of my soldering iron. And then I have to line all of these little pins on the ribbon cable up right there. All right, and I'm basically coming through and just touching each single one of these joints. Add a little bit more flux. A little bit of solder again. And I'm basically just coming through and very gently touching each solder connection. I think I did it. All right, only thing to do now is to plug it in and see if it works.